R888R's mounted. The car's still settling from being in the air. I had my boy mount me. He was like, don't even worry about paying me, dude. Just take my boy for a ride. And I'm like, what? Yeah, we can do that. So we're going to run downtown, pick him up, take him for a ride, and see how his tires look, I guess. That's the plan. You know, when you can get something wrapped for free and not pay $65 for a dismount, mount, and balance, you take him for a ride. I'm doing a little cold start. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit of turning to scratch these tires and get them broke in. This is going to be a cold traction test. I'm not going to light them up or do a burnout. I'd really like to see how they perform compared to my last tires, my Michelins, without actually roasting them or anything like that. I'll show you a clip of what it looked like on just regular street Michelins. Now. This will probably be the first time I've done dash video of the axle dumps. We literally have like a quarter mile on the tires. I'll give it a little bit and see what happens. And of course there's a cop. Didn't hold power as quite as well as I thought it would, but I don't even have a mile on them yet, so hopefully that little bit of scratching warmed them up a little bit, I guess. We'll pull up and rev off on them. Alright.
This motherfucker's nice.
It's clean.
Goddamn silverback.
Let's see what she does.
Red beast is mine.
Yeah? Not bad. I like the light bar. Nice touch.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna see what she can do. I blipped her in first and second leaving the house, but the tires are still so fresh.
Oh yeah.
So she still lit them up. We'll see if I can't get us an open highway. That'll work just fine. Sometimes I don't get what I want, but you know,
yeah,
it's worth messing around. You got a car like this, you got to take it out more than 50-year-olds do. Oh yeah, there it is. Now we're starting to hook. Woo! Before with the Michelin's on it, it would just knock the tires off. It would absolutely knock them off. It sounds way better with the turn downs. Those mufflers were fucking, it didn't sound like a Corvette to me.
He had a vibration at 110. I looked at my service radar. I was like, what do we do? He was like, sign a waiver and have him go with you.
Well, that was one of the other problems I was having. With the Michelins, it would wobble at 100 plus. It would start shaking the rear end, which was really weird.
Yeah.
This is literally the first time I've had semi-traction ever in first and second in this car. So
yeah, I'll bet.
I'm like a child at school right now.
Yeah, with them twin turbos, yeah.
This is a Pro Charger.
Oh.
Yeah. I think they call it a centrifugal supercharger.
Yeah.
I just call it Pro Charger.
Yeah.
Because I love the way it blows off. I love the noise it makes. Because like, since it's always being run by the engine, you're not always on boost.
Yeah.
So anytime you're not actually using boost, it's purging it out the blow-off valve. So you hear so much more air all the time. I love it. wasn't that sought after because the dealership I got it from, he was a shareholder with. He wanted to know why the car wasn't selling. I was like, well, you know, you have an interior package nobody wants.
Yeah.
The listing on the internet didn't even have the supercharger in the listing. I didn't even know it had a blower until like the 30th picture out of like 42 pictures. So yeah, I was
You
able
would
to
think
work.
that'd be one of the main selling points.
Exactly. Well, his internet manager just failed, so I was able to come in, make him look like a dick, and swoop this car for pennies on the dollar, and that's how I have it. I don't even think Michael knows what I actually paid for this car. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's the
Got
cheese
plenty
right
of
there.
traction. That is fucking
She's
awesome.
all right if you don't like romp it.
Yeah, oh,
That's
yeah.
why I try not to dump it hard into gear.
Yeah.
If you'll give her a nice, relaxing way, she'll hook. Plus,
Yeah.
the more I break the tires in, the more I'll get out
Yep,
of them.
exactly.
You know what I'm saying? And they're still so damn fresh.
Yeah. They're still not sticky.
No. Like, even the videos I've seen where I did the research and found out about these, people will straight light them up in first gear before they would start making
Yeah.
pulls in them.
Yeah, that was, I appreciate
No
that.
problem, man. I appreciate y'all.
Oh,
Y'all
yeah.
did me a hell of a solid. Anytime I can show up the Corvette and get something and repeat, expose you to something awesome, why not? He liked it. Thank you. Yeah, they did us a solid, man. I don't care how rich you are, how wealthy you are at the end of the day. Free dismount and remount and balancing of some radials. I'm a happy man. Guy wants to go for a ride in a car he hasn't been in before. I will oblige him. Well, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. It looks like a bell. Thank you for watching. More videos to come on the R888s. We will see you later.